Hi guys, today I will show you on how to deploy MySQL database on Heroku server. Okay, without any delay, we will go right into it. First thing first, you all need to sign up a Heroku account. At this link, signup.heroku.com. Just fill in this page and create your account and then log in. For me, I already have account and I will go right into it. After you log in, you will see this page. If you do not have any application made yet, so you will not see this lah. Okay. Now you need to create a new app. Press this create new button over here and create new app. Name your app, basically anything that you want. I will name it Heroku, maybe Heroku DB Tuto. Okay, and choose a region, the US or Europe. I think for Malaysia the nearest is Europe, so I will go with it, I think, and create new app. So now we already done create our application. Then go to the resource tab. Okay, here in the add-ons we have a search bar over here. Search ClearDB. Okay, we have this suggestion over here, ClearDB MySQL, and click. Basically, ClearDB SQL, MySQL is like an extension to allow us to run MySQL database on Heroku server. Okay, here we have plan name, basically the tier. We will just go with free tier for now. Submit order form. So it will take some time. Okay, now we already done. Create the DB. I will show this after this. For now, go to setting. Wait. Go to setting. Scroll over here. You see config vars, and here there's button to reveal config vars. Config vars basically a variable lah, a secret variable that you will keep here. So here we have this key ClearDB database URL. You need to copy the value over here. Copy and paste it on your Node app or anything. Okay, I will copy paste here so you all can see. And now you open your Laragon or XAMPP or any software that can run the database. For me, I'm using Laragon. If you don't know how to install Laragon, you can see the previous video that I made. I will share the link in the description. Okay, here this is my my Laragon. Right click the database and go to MySQL, and for me I'm gonna go with HeyDSQL. Okay, so here I will create new session. Name the session anything that you want. For me, I'm gonna name it the same with my Heroku app name. Okay, Heroku DB Tuto. Okay, here we have a space, text space that you need to see to fill in the host name. The host name is after the at until .net. So copy this. Yeah, copy and paste here. Basically, this like the link to the database. And for user, the slash until the semicolon. Not semicolon, full colon. Copy and paste. The password is after full colon and until at paste. Okay, for port we gonna leave it as default because by default MySQL we run on 3306 port. So basically we're done. You can save it. Okay, so you can just, you don't need to set up every time you open the database and then click open. It will take some time. Okay, that's quick. Okay, now here is our database. Okay, so here is the our database name. For your information, we cannot create new database because for this tier we only can have one database. Okay, so we will gonna use this. Here we can create new table like we can do like before on the local host. It's the same. Okay, now I will show you on how to let's say if you already have database you made on your local server and a local host and you want to deploy it here. First thing first, you need to export the database that you made to .sql file, basically just right click and click export database as SQL, and then the file you need to open. How to open it? You need to click file over here, click load SQL file. Okay, I already have the .sql file. Just click to the SQL file and click open. Okay, but we cannot run it right now, because if we run it, it will prompt an error. Let's try. Okay, we have an error over here. It is because we want to create a new database named TOEIC we cannot do that because we only can use this database. So basically what we're gonna do to fix the error is just get rid of these two command over here, delete, and now we can run it. So basically it will recreate all the table that you made on your local database to here. Okay, we done. um, so let's see the database. Okay, but why we cannot see any table yet, right? So basically you all just need to right click and click refresh. Okay, so here is the database. So you all can deploy it on server and can access it from anywhere, and any user can access it if you have the link, the username and password. So keep it secret and only share it with the one that you want to give access to. So basically that's it. Okay. Okay, now this is for the extra content. Okay, for the database that we just created, we use the free plan, right? The free tier. Basically, for the free tier, it have limit. The limit is 5 megabyte only. The size of the database. So if you have any problem, but basically, for if you do like assignment or tutorial, 5 megabyte is more than enough. But if you want to have more, you need to have credit, or you need to have credit. uh, the credit you need to pay, right? But here we have a trick. Basically go to education.github.com/pack, uh, and apply for GitHub student developer pack. Basically this pack come with many benefit, especially for student and for science computer student. It have many offer. We have Canva over here, and we have domain. And but what we want to see is the Heroku. If basically if you subscribe to this, if you already have the GitHub developer, you will get the benefit of Heroku. You will get some credits, and with some credits I mean like $100 something, and with that you can use for higher tier of um, ClearDB MySQL add-on. So basically that's it. Thank you, and if you find it useful, share it to your friend. Okay, thank you, bye.